Ladies and gentlemen, good morning everybody. It's me Bhargav from Team Now I am going to have a debate regarding the Indian culture does not breed leaders.
Good morning to one and all. This is Rukmini from Team Jawaharlal Nehru. Now I am going to debate on the topic India culture breed leaders. According to my point of view, Indian culture breeds leaders because we have many leaders like Anna Hazare who are fighting against black money. They are working for us for the development of our country. It does not mean as political leaders because political leaders they have influence over members. Because of the money they influence the leaders. Indian culture breeds many of the leaders. We have an example of lot of them.
I think Indian culture does not breed leaders because Anna Hazare is working for the bill which is not passed in the parliament. But according to me, Indian culture does not breed leaders. He is just working for the bill to pass in the parliament.
As if he is working for the passing of the bill, no. He is also trying for the development of the country. But the political leaders are not accepting the bill. It's not a fault of Anna Hazare.
Anna Hazare, India is not going to develop. We must have many of them. But India is not accepting leaders. All of them are politicians. And so many politicians are going to eat the money like Jagan Mohan Reddy.
We have many of our freedom fighters like Subhash Chandra Bose, who is an instant leader who has been working.
We can also take an example of Gandhiji. He has given a freedom movement. He has participated in the freedom movement and he has led us to the India to get freedom. And he has taken initiation to develop the revolutionary movements in the people. And he has also fought for the South Africa also.
In the past we have leaders, but now we are not having any leaders. India is a democratic country now because every people like to live in their own way. No leader is there to lead the people. For example, we take Jagan. He is not a leader, but people are thinking him as a leader, and due to his influence, his background, everyone thinking as a leader and following him.
If we take an initiation and if we try to motivate the people in the world and in the state, and then we can become a leader, and each individual can act as a leader and lead the country to develop.
If we had a leader, our country shouldn't be still a developing country. We don't have a leader still now. In the past we have. That's why we got freedom. But now we are not having a leader.
Actually, the leaders are if we try our level best to influence the people and.
As you said, if in past there are leaders, in future also there can be no. If every individual have revolutionary thoughts and who want to support the country, they can be a leader. Why can't India has many of leaders?
For example, now I have an idea to start a revolution. Can anyone accept it? No one can accept it. And everyone is trying to choose politicians, not leaders. No one is choosing leader.
If one starts, maybe they'll support at one time. Why do you think so? Anna Hazare is the one person who started against Lokpal bill, but now there are many of the members who is following. If one starts, everything starts.
If he is a perfect leader, why don't his bill be still in the local bill?
He is not passing the bill. The parliament members are not passing. No?
If he is a perfect leader, then everyone will follow him. Then why is not his bill is not passing?
It's not in the case of passing the bill. Passing the bill depends upon the parliament issues. not about the person who started the movement. Gandhiji has started freedom. That means he did not think that we'll get freedom, but the member who started have been finally achieved the freedom.
In the past we have leaders, but now we have only no leaders because everyone are not encouraging leaders. Now everyone is trying to eat money and no one is taking initiative. For example, anyone want to stand as a leader, he also not taking a role, and he also taking a role as a politician. He is elected for the elections, and no one is becoming leader. Everyone are politicians.
Politician is also a leader if he is good, if he behaves good, and if he works for the country, he is also a leader. If he works in a good manner. Jawaharlal Nehru is also a leader, but he also worked as a politician for the welfare of the country. He is the example for politician as well as a leader.
That is in the past, but now politicians are not in the good manner. Any politician are in good manner. Everyone are corrupting. For example, Sonia, she divided Andhra into two parts. Is she a right politician?
We have many. You are taking the example of only one. I can say many. We have many of other members like Jay Prakash Narayana, who has been working for the development of our country, and the CM of Delhi, who has been working for the has been working for the passing of Lokpal Bill as a assistant of Anna Hazare.
I am not taking only Sonia, but so many of the leaders in Srikakulam, Aaron Naidu, I think, and in Vijay and Jagannath Reddy, so many of the leaders are corrupting.
Thereby, I conclude that India has I conclude that India has got many of the leaders for the development of country. There have been many leaders who have supported for the development of the country.
I conclude that India does not have any leaders, and no one is giving a chance to stand as a leader. Everyone are discouraging the leaders.